Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel Zarar Khan. In the previous video we have discussed about basic gate and it was not, or and okay. In today's video we'll be discussing about universal gate. So why do we call it as universal gate? Because we can implement all the gates such as basic gate as well using universal gate. So what are the universal gate? There are two universal gate, NAND and NOR. So let's begin with NAND first. So NAND gate, okay. NAND gate is nothing but an AND gate which is followed by a NOT gate, okay. So let's say A and B my input, the output is AB and the next output would be A dot B the whole bar. And if I try to draw the symbol of NAND gate, so this is the symbol of NAND gate and with the circle around it, okay. So this is your NAND gate. Now let's try to make it truth table. So let's say, as you can see from the diagram, we have two input A, B, okay, and the output is A dot B the whole bar. So bar is nothing but the reverse of it. So we have two input with four different conditions. Now 0.0 would be 0 and the reverse of it or the negation of it would be 1, or the invert of it would be 1. 0 multiplied by 1 is 0 and the invert of it is again 1. 1 multiplied by 0 is again 0, but is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, but the output is. So this is your NAND gate. Now let's move to NOR gate. Hope you have understand this, right? So the NOR gate. What do you mean by NOR gate? The second is NOR gate. It is similar to NAND gate. So you have OR gate. Sorry. So you have OR gate, which is followed by a NOT gate. So this is A, B. Here output would be A plus B, but the final output would be A plus B the whole bar. And the symbol is again similar to NAND. We have OR and then a bubble to it. So the output would be A plus B the whole bar. Now let's draw the truth table. Sorry. Okay, so the truth table would be A, B, A plus B the whole bar. So let's say I have two input, so there would be four conditions: 0, 1, 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0, right? And the negation of it would be 1. 0 plus 1 would be 1, and the opposite of it would be 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. The invert of 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, and the invert of 1 is again 0. This is your NOR gate. Okay. Hope you understand this. We can draw all the three basic gate, which is NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate using this universal gate. Okay, that we'll understand in the next lecture. Hope you have understand this. Do comment, like, and share the video. Thank you.